Let's go.
20-point gain on NQ. I sold half.
Damn right you did. MDB almost new high a day, and SMCI is testing that high a day right now. For those of you who took the $500 calls.
Guys, I don't know what happened. Yeah, but we're back.
As much as it pains for me to say this, I think Microsoft's going to squeeze upside.
We're back.
Looks like a potential inverse head and shoulders on the smaller time frame on the 3-minute.
My whole computer just shut down right there. I don't know what happened, guys.
5-minute squeeze is upside. 30-minute squeeze is still downside.
Thank you, Scuba. We're already in. Scuba Steve. Video. New high a day for those who were in those calls I made that open. Oh, yeah.
Who was that? Was that Whale?
What?
Damn you, Scuba Steve.
That was Whale. Don't forget about MDB, our 440 call swings. Mondo Burger.
All right, stream is back. Jeez. New viewer here, like the content, man, respect. Hey, appreciate you, Ray. The stream just died. I don't know what happened there. I mean, I know what happened. I'm trying to do all this on one MacBook. I know what's happening, but we're trying to make it work.
I just watched his recent one too. The basketball movie.
Oh, that one was good. Not your typical Adam Sandler movie, but that one was.
Yeah.
I'll be honest.
That was really good.
That's one of my favorites.
His serious movies are fucking great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They really do.
Oh.
Bongo da bongo. Roblox is going to die.
What did Mikey say about spy calls? Said something about reversal earlier. Yeah, we need a higher low, though.
Trimmed MU here.
But definitely some nice bounces off pre-market lows.
Like 10-15 this morning, I definitely would not be shorting now.
This is long entry.
Yeah. If anything, that's exactly what this is. The only thing that's concerning is the 4-hour time frame. It could pull back a little bit more, closer to 194, 193. And if it bounces there, that's going to be a really good spot because that's going to be an inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour, and that would be a good dip buy.
It's all a good dip buy, anything down here.
Yeah. 194 also has a hangman right now. And then at 195.5, which lines up with the 9 EMA, and the low today is 195.6, so it's close enough.
Send it, Mr. Spy.
Dump it, Mr. Spy.
Fuck your dumb.
My hump. That's all I thought about right there.
MU88 calls. I took profits here.
Snow hit 115%. I'm just holding this as long as I can.
Looking at the long trade.
Ooh, I like that, Sharky. When Sharky's first talking about going long, when I'm in long,
It's good stuff.
That means you get even
and up 15%,
It's good stuff.
that means it's going to be up more than 15%, hopefully.
I'm going to long Amazon, if anything. The 30-minute is setting up for a really, really big move here.
Fucking computer.
fucking computer.
I didn't touch the mouse again, and then it went to sleepy. Normally, I shake the desk enough while leaning on it that it would, move the mouse.
Alright, 468. Well, you strike me as the guy who would love him some WWE. Am I accurate there?
I did when I was like 10, when it was called WWF.
So you're not excited for this Netflix deal?
I don't even know what Netflix
Who are
deal.
you talking to? But if anyone's a big WWE Raw will be on.
Yeah, that was
Netflix
an interesting deal. They were gonna do it with who else were they gonna do it with? Netflix wasn't even talked about. It was another company. I forgot what name it was.
Long Frank.
Let's go.
I don't know.
Sharky Long.
I'm not even sure.
Buffalo B-Wop.
But yeah, that was a shocking one, Evan. And they both had good pumps this morning.
You've got to pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up.
30% on these calls.
I got into February 5th, 198 calls on IWM.
Zim is pumping.
Yeah, Sharky, it's looking pretty good here. I'm still flat,
But we are right at the WAP.
right.
We wop.
The VIX is losing 13, so if you're still in those VIX 14, 15 puts, scale out.
Have a great night, movies. Talk to you
Oh,
tomorrow.
Shark's back. I didn't even realize he left.
AMD has a big
Shark
gamble.
should really tell us, hey guys, I'm going down. Bring me back. Shark, give us the heads up next time.
Bro,
He's
Zim
a
is
dick.
pumping. Holy crap.
What is pumping, Jordan?
Zim. Z-I-M.
What ticker is that?
Z-I-M.
Isn't it like a shipping or something?
Yeah. Integrated shipping services.
Yeah, it's a shipping company. I just saw sold puts come through, which is bullish.
Yeah, that
Mike.
daily looks raw.
Michael,
Yeah?
I just wanted to say I love you.
Love you too, bro.
AMD has a big wall here at 170, so if you can't break 170, it's gonna chop it.
Uh-oh.
Snowy. Another leg, baby. I'm getting greedy. I'm getting
Well,
real
JJ did.
greedy.
I tried to take calls to earnings and that. That was a max loss, but that's why it's a lot.
Oh, J&J, yeah.
Yeah, it was a lot of. Yeah. Oh well. Amazon calls for the week 155s are up slightly in the money.
I'm at the last bit of NQ here, break even.
Heard.
Here we go. Thank you, Spy. QQQ.
Snow trying to flip CDC
Yeah, I'm
bearish.
not really looking for anything right now. I'm not seeing. Well, we are starting to dip down here.
I probably should have sold these for the 30% at the BWAP, but I didn't because I'm stupid.
Let's get back to the moose.
Beautiful rejection here on Spy.
Need my music back.
I think this is going to be my last trade. I feel like I'm trading like shit today.
There we go.
Me too.
Yeah,
It's
same,
playing,
bro.
right?
I mean, just today's range sucks. It looks like Warbler breaking base on Spy, but Could be a little late chasing it now. Maybe 5 minute will give a pullback into this previous bottom.
Watch
Oh,
the
yeah,
LTR push.
Get back in here.
And it was CBC bearish day. Just in time for the candle to close.
You guys make me blush.
Well, you gave me that.
Well, I love it.
I see it. I seize it.
Yeah, the rejection there on SPY lines up perfectly with the pre-market high, and then this morning's high, and then the rejection at 10:20, and then yeah, the next trend line tap right there lined up with VWAP. It was a great short opportunity. So now I want to go down and make a new
Did
little
you say you want to go down?
I want to go down. Down on the whale.
All right, hit me up.
I want to go. I need to hit the Florida soon.
Bro, hit me up.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, but Maple doesn't live in real Florida. He's like somewhere up north.
No, what do you mean?
Wait, where are you?
I'm like right in North Dakota.
I don't know what Coco is.
I'm probably like.
I wonder if I can play. Wait.
Yeah, that's like fake.
No, it's not like.
Is there like? I wonder if there's like Drake instrumentals. Right? Aren't instrumentals copyright free?
I love it. Watch PLTR for downside. It can fill this gap down to 16.8, but you can fucking pay if it fills this gap.
Oh
Here
my
we
god,
go,
that's
SPY.
annoying.
Here we go, Q's. Here we go, Microsoft. Thank you.
There's no way this is actual Drizzy, bro. I'm just trying to listen to some Drizzy while I trade, to be honest.
It looked good in the EMAs, but no bullish CBC either.
Oh man, Microsoft
This works though.
minus 15% and we're green.
This
here.
works for sure.
Give me some more.
Love me some Brent Fias, baby.
Yeah.
On your foot swing?
No, my foot swings are down. I'm down $6 contract here
Oh,
on
you're
the foot
fine.
swings. My Microsoft puts are green.
We're dipping here. We're dipping here.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
New low of day on SPY. Come on.
Sharky, I just can't. It's fucking locked up here.
Locked up.
Yeah, you're just gonna get. I'm staying out of trouble.
Damn.
Like, you're just gonna get.
I'm playing this shit
left
from
around
now on.
Until it's gotta
Because
make
it's
a
at
move.
least like the music I listen to, but they changed the beat and everything, so it's not copyrighted, I think. Should be copyright free, they say it is, so I don't know. If I get banned, you know why. You know what I don't understand though? What I really don't understand, if anybody has like some experience with streaming or knows what to do. I mean, I'm watching Twitch partners, right? Like Twitch streamer partners that Twitch is super strict with copyright music. They're just sitting there playing Drizzy, listening to Drake. And they have like 30,000 viewers. I'm like, how are you not getting banned, right? So I don't get it. Because I want to listen to my normal music. The beats aren't bad, like the lo-fi isn't bad, but like I'd like to enjoy my actual music, you know? Might be selling snow here soon. Still up great here. We're just retesting this previous spot that we broke out, so as long as we hold that 21 EMA, I'd like to stay in, but that 15-minute candle is pretty nasty there. That's a bit of a trigger short if this 15-minute candle closes below the low of that previous low. So, little sus there. Still up 55% here, though. They pay for a license and can stream any type of song as long as it's in that database/website.
Yeah, we gotta let you guys.
Looks like I'm gonna pay for a license then. Oh,
Well, Gene Hotz, your team's out of it. You guys suck. According to the Shark and Talk.
my music's like cutting out.
You got some killers on there though. Trading Capital is really good. Bull Market Mellow. Good guy. Yeah. Oh, Debo, dude. Yeah, Debo's a fucking shark. So, shark, dude. Even Shy's been killing it. 731 predictions. That's insane.
Shy does kill it on
That's
there.
that's on my team, right?
Bro, Bull Trade Finder, 41 predictions, 71%. Shy, 731 predictions, 75%. Are you sure this is your team?
Listen, I just want to be, smart.
I think we should change the name to Team Debo Shy. Debo Shy Mellow.
Yeah, no, Debo on when we were on the single teams was absolutely insane.
Bitcoin below that 40K, yup.
I think he's been killing it on the actual trades too, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
I know, like,
actually
this
talked
dip,
to-
if you're long Bitcoin, this dip is kind of gnarly, but, like, let's
Ooh,
be
got
real,
one
guys.
right now. I think.
It's a pullback to the 21 EMA, which we've done every time we pull back. And then it's an impulsive move up, pullback. To where? The 21 EMA and the 9 EMA. This also had the 2 under there. But I'd expect us to hold the 37K pretty much, 36.5K on the dip.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
And then downside targets would be by the quarter. So 195.25, and then 195, and then 194.75.
This is more my style music right here, shit. Some drizzy in my ears, bro. Gotta have some drizzy in your life, man. What's up next? What we got? I'm liking this. Poetic? Kendrick? Do I know this one?
Spy bouncing off the bottom MMK level there again, 483.04. So just need to break below that to test the bottom of the zone.
Oh, well, 483.04 is the -2 VWAP right now.
What?
Oh, would you look at that?
Did you long again off it?
I did. I didn't sell before, but I now have the full position size because my math's been off today and I've been buying smaller by accident.
God damn it.
So now I have a full position size, which is $700.
Did you get any scales for profit on the first bounce?
No, because I'm a dumb bitch. And I didn't.
Hey, you said it, not me.
Yeah, I got greedy because I've been all over the place today. Back and forth, tiny little cells, and then
I'm pretty sure my AirPod is dying because it like keeps glitching on the music.
You got what? Plus 20?
I'm gonna get a headset soon. I need a headset. This is the one I want right here.
sold the plus 30%, especially because it's at V1.
It's like the one that everybody has. But it's just so comfy, that's why I want it. But I can't run this with a MacBook. This takes an amp, and there's no way my tiny MacBook Pro is gonna run a 250 ohm fucking headset. But it's so sexy looking. Look at that black. Oh my god. Looks so good. And then on the ears, it's like, oh, it's all furry and soft. Oh, not this hard AirPod in your ear.
Be careful, like inverted hammer.
I think I got some old Beats, though, I'm going to use for the time being.
Maple, what the fuck?
What?
Oh, yeah, I saw the Apple Vision Pros. Those are crazy looking.
No, I think it was Maple.
What happened?
Maple, did you not hear what I said?
No, what'd you say?
You literally repeated the same word.
Like literally. I
Oh,
literally
we
said,
did? Oh my god.
I said-
I was looking. Dude, sorry. I was zoned out. I was looking
I
at
said
this random stuff.
I said 5 minute inverse.
I thought my AirPod died.
5 up 43.04, and then like 2 seconds after I stopped, you said, "All right, watch here." And
Right? Ray, those look nice, huh? Yeah, they're dope. I think I'm going to have to roll, like, if I'm running the MacBook, though, I'm going to have to roll with the, probably the Beats Studio Pros. I just don't, like, I love these. They look sick. I know they sound sick. The only thing I don't know is if they're, like, can I wear them for 8 hours straight and it not hurt? I don't know.
I put my money that no lower. Can't break the
These might be good, too.
positive gamma, positive W resistance. So support to resistance.
No, we're about to rip cheeks. You're welcome.
Tesla getting spanked. Oh, yeah. Every time we pop lately, it's just been getting wrecked off of that. Seeing if Snow can kind of recover off this 21 EMA here. Back up 71%.
Alright, filled for tomorrow's spy puts 483 at above 23.
Might be a little too much unless you switch to AirPods if you get tired, yeah. I mean, because I'm usually streaming for about 8 hours straight.
IWM new low of day.
No. Well, at least I got out launched, but I guess I'll add it again.
What's it called?
What is it called?
I don't know what it's called, nuts. Is it called the inverted hammer? Something.
Do.
I don't think I'm gonna do a spread. I'm not swinging spreads personally over the next few days, only because of all the data that's to come.
Yeah, tomorrow has some sort of data, right?
I think GDP tomorrow, right?
Sorry, data and I meant to really say earnings, but data and earnings.
Well, yeah, me too. I mean, these are zeros, nuts. You know what These are 0-day spreads, bro.
I did swing spreads into today because I wasn't expecting much, and those condors are 100%, so that's good.
Nice work on that. Beautiful.
Boom.
And
Do
then,
you close them when they're 100%, or do you just leave them?
you just leave it so it closes 100%.
But what if it doesn't close 100%? Why not just take it? The most you can make is 100%, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
So close that shit.
Why? Why?
Well then it's not really closing at 100%.
Oh, because the fees.
No, because of then I'd have to sell it at 1 cent, and then it's not.
Yeah, you gotta
100%.
you gotta sell it for the 0.01 for it to fill.
I got
So
you.
either way, it's gonna sell for 90 to 100%.
Yeah, but the benefit is if you're
But
under
what if we rip
25K,
cheeks or drop cheeks?
Day trades.
day
Then I'm
trades.
dead.
That's correct. If you're under 25 cheeks, not selling it doesn't hit your day trade.
Correct. That's the biggest
also
thing.
true. Well, either way though, this is a swing, so it's not a day
Yeah,
trade
he
then.
swung it overnight. That's what I'm saying.
No, that's also true. That's true. But like if you're in that boat where you're
But
like
yes,
90,
100% what you said is correct.
wait for 100 because then you get another trade.
Yeah, send him a direct message.
Was that shark talking?
No, I
Sharky?
think that's somebody talking to Shark.
Oh, okay. Oh, Sharky went on mute. We scared him away.
Guys, I'm thinking about just selling my Snow. We got a 10-minute candle by candle flip, which I don't like. I'm seeing if we can like bounce it and get the momentum back here, but if we start to sell right here, I'm gonna I'm just gonna take it. We're at 75%, even on this dip. So
If I go green, these 5-foot swings, I'm going to message every single person that tried to shit on me.
I'm gonna shit on you.
PX coming down. Testing hedge pressure here.
Oh, that's fine. Shit.
We are at hedge pressure on SPY and coming
Whale
into
vomit
yesterday's
worth
low.
very much.
Yeah, ambergris, right?
Hey,
Yeah.
we are
Oh,
at hedge pressure.
Maple knows, but it's only sperm whale vomit.
What is the
Oh,
what's the
see, I didn't
white
know that.
resin?
Okay. Very expensive.
Yeah.
Can you give the res number, Jordan, real quick?
Yeah, 1 second, it's loading.
Rays?
Res.
Res is negative 28.
Lovely. So we should stay underneath the redistribution zone and the gap that we had in the morning with at edge pressure with negative, probably in BSU, BRSU. So you can short at edge pressure with a 5-minute close underneath. That would be a play.
It would.
Just give me 42.50. Just get it over with.
Even
$80
SPY or
contract
FPX?
gain SPX both
Spy,
until the
Spy's
quarter.
42.50.
There we go. Come on, SPY. Break the little day.
Get it over
Fuck
with.
this. It's about to rip cheeks.
482.8 is the bottom of the green zone on the chart that I sent earlier.
But if we lose
Then I have a-
42.90, then I'm cutting these.
Yeah, CBC flip video is coming soon. I tried to film it yesterday, but got pulled into a bunch of
Okay,
meetings,
that,
so
that doesn't make me
Yeah,
bullish.
dollar.
don't worry.
dollar
As soon as I get a chance, I'm making that.
Fucking dollar.
The box, the VIX on bonds, not the VIX on bonds, the bond thing.
But again, it is very simple, and there's an indicator for it.
One whole doll hair.
SMCI, if you took those puts,
I'm out the rest of the snow.
already lost $6 since entry, so they're already up.
The dollar may shit on my parade then.
Those are 430s.
Didn't realize that.
Man, if we lose 435 on SMCI, ooh.
I got out of last of my snow, 71%.
Nice. That was a play.
Yeah, I might regret it, but made some great money today on that K-Web. I'm set. Spy's sitting at hedge pressure, getting wicks off it.
Anybody make money on Baba?
Nah, just K-Web for me.
Baba.
Hell yeah, those $70 calls and K-Web.
Can you show flip you just mentioned? Yeah, it's super simple. Look at.
K-Web FTW.
So okay, here from this candle, we flipped CBC bearish from CBC bullish. You can why is that? You can see this 5-minute candle closed below the previous 5-minute candle low. That signals a CBC flip bearish. Then we're coming down. Why did CBC flip bullish? Because we got our first 5-minute candle close above the previous candle high. That signaled a CBC flip bullish. Now you can see on this candle, if we get a 5-minute close under, if we get a 5-minute close under this level here, that will signal a CBC flip bearish. So it's super simple. On any chart, you just go to it. I can see, oh, CBC is holding bearish. Why? Because the last candle that closed either above the previous high or above the previous low, it was on this candle and it closed below the previous candle low. You can see right here, see? Take that line, boom. That's why it signaled that red arrow. It's just telling you, hey, CBC flipped bearish, right? So what would flip CBC bullish right here? A CBC flip bullish would have to be a 5-minute close above this 483.13 on this candle. If this candle closes above that level, we will signal a CBC flip bullish. You can see that candle just closed. We did not signal a CBC flip bullish, so you move your line down here. If we get a close above this now, 483.05, it will signal a CBC flip bullish. So it's very simple. You're just following the candle highs or candle lows depending on whether you're in puts or calls. So if you're in puts, it's always that 5-minute candle high. If you're in calls, it's always that 5-minute candle low. So you just keep using the previous candle to get out, right? Yeah, exactly. So it's always the previous candle. So if I was in puts from here, I would not have gotten stopped out of my position yet. Why? Because CBC is still holding bearish. We have not gotten a 5-minute close above the previous 5-minute candle high, right? So that keeps you in the puts, even though hedge pressure's here, right? If I was holding puts coming into hedge pressure, I would have been selling. But if I knew CBC's holding bearish and we haven't flipped bullish yet, I might hold some cons, right? And that might keep me in the position a lot longer to be able to make more gains without getting stopped out. Now you can see, look at what happens when this tries to get over the previous 5-minute candle high. You saw that green arrow come in. Now, you don't want to enter when you just see it flicker, right? If you were looking to enter calls on a CBC flip bullish here, you don't want to enter right now because we haven't gotten a 5-minute close yet. You have to wait for those 5-minute closes, and then, okay, it's confirmation that CBC has flipped. You're good to enter. So we'll see if this flips here. Got to wait for the 5-minute close because there's still 3 minutes left on this candle, right? So within 3 minutes, this could just wick right back down, negate this signal, and sell off. But let's see. If I had to be in a position here, I would be in calls off of hedge pressure and hoping for a CBC flip bullish, personally. But I don't have to be in a position, and I've already made my money, so there's no reason for me to take a trade. So I'm going to sit out. Except I'm still in snow. Oh, wait, no. Didn't I sell that? Yeah, I sold snow. I'm a lie. We got out. Beautiful trades, though. Oh, I need to let the Discord know. Like, no is holding yesterday's high, though. That could definitely do good off yesterday's high. The flip bullish would be here if that candle breaks up. Yeah, if the candle closes above the previous candle high. See how it's wicking down now? So it's all dependent on the close. Ghost, the stream died, bro. I don't know what happened. It literally just died. My whole computer shut down, but it's okay. This is a good mix for the chill lo-fi, but I'm going back to my copyright-free Drizzy Drake, baby. Let's see if they have any more, like, Drizzy. Call me crazy, but I see a head and shoulders forming on Baba. Let's see. If you're looking at it on the 5-minute, like, I see you. But, like, let's be honest. If you were to draw this out, is that a clean head and shoulders? You know? And it's like, it could definitely bang. I don't want to, like, scare you out. That's for sure. But, like, when I bump up the higher time frames, it's, like, you bump it up to the 30-minute, that's just like, a bull flag kind of, I don't know. To me, it's just like, it's a first pullback after the impulsive move up on news. Not even below the 30-minute 9 EMA. And what about the 113? We're still holding the 113. I just couldn't get short yet. A short trigger for me would be like a 15-minute close below $73. If we get it like a 15 or a 15-minute close under $73, that would be a short trigger. But until that happens, I just can't think short quite yet. But I get you. The camel's back. Got you. The camel's back.
Right now, I mean, we're under, okay, and below 42.64, there's a fat flush level for like 5 points.
Yes.
Just as
So yeah, you can see Diesel Man, yeah. CBC flipped bullish.
we just intraday
Getting this nice wick off hedge pressure. I do like calls here. So even though I'm not going to take them because I'm all good for the day, I'm going to take some SPY upside predictions here.
below this 2, we're looking at tomorrow, or at yesterday's low.
That looks good to me.
Session gap right now for next down.
And if I was entering a position here, I'd be entering right now, and my risk would be a 5-minute CBC. So what is that? I'd be entering right here. Oh, that's a fib. If I were entering a position,
So like if
it would have been right there on that wick.
we would go outside,
Drag your target up, at least there. And then your stop, super easy, 5-minute close below previous candle low. Super, super simple to understand. I'm not in this trade, guys. I'm just like doing this for
I'm about to go
visual
to my
purposes,
email and
right?
send the middle finger emoji to all of you.
We're down 0.08% on the day. Calm down.
KT, just ignore those. They'll never stop.
Ah, Snow came back, of course, this fucker.
That's all.
They can't, bro, because that means they automatically look stupid. Right? So it's like, okay, do I throw this guy and just look stay stupid, or do I just move on?
Oh. Fuck. I want to make a prediction. Come on, man. Looks like Predictogram is having a hard time. Come on. I'm losing love for Tesla. She's just teasing. Oh, yeah. And then in 5 years, 10 years, we're going to be like, fuck. I wish I bought that. Well, I've been buying it long term. Not swings, but long term. See how simple your defined risk is with CBC? 5-minute close below that level, you get out. If you don't get the 5-minute close, you hold via CBC until you get the CBC flip bearish. Simple as that, man. Simple as that. So I'm going to take this off because generally when I have this on, it means I'm in a trade, and I don't want people to think I'm in a trade when I'm not. Snow. I did definitely paper-handed that, but as long as it's holding yesterday's high, I think it looks good still. And look at you'd be up already, doing good, targeting that previous high. Also the 200 EMA, because that's a possible spot where they make a lower high. Bring it back down, because we still do need a higher low off of hedge pressure, which we haven't gotten yet. So if you're long, just be careful. You got to expect a pullback to come to make the higher low. What's the indicator for CBC? Literally just go to indicators, type in CBC flip. It's the only one there. Asian Rue. Snow's back rocketing. Nice. I can't even lie. I'm so tired. I really should have slept last night, but it's fine. I mean, I did sleep, just not much. I'm wiped. Look at how beautiful that is, though. Look at that trade just play out right in front of us, man. Morning, Thrax. It's been a fucking morning, my dog. Remember those K-Web calls we grabbed yesterday? Those banged overnight. Caught snow. Bought snow right here. In the middle of this candle. High or low. Bing. And I've been chilling. What's the indicator for your bull and bear signals on TradingView? That is the Stocks Buddy indicator. That's this one right here. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. But yeah. Signals work best on the weekly. If you're intraday trading, they work best on the 15-minute. Adobe back testing 600. Just chopping.
Here is the ATR.
And look at that beautiful move.
ATR is at 43, 44, 45.
From entry on commons, that's a 0.10% gain. On options, that's probably a...
Apparently, the new one is thinner line.
If you took 1 days, you're up 15% here. Nothing crazy, but solid little move. Coming up to this 200 EMA, that's where I'd be scaling, anticipating a possible lower high. If you don't get that, test the highs here. Still holding CBC bullish. So you're holding bullish, you're in calls, what do? Well, you're on this candle, your stop loss is now 5-minute close below previous candle low. And each new candle that opens up, you're just going to move it up. So the next candle that opens, you'll just move your stop up to here. And until you get a 5-minute close below, I just stay in the trade. 8 EHR, let's see.
But also not a bad idea. This is literally the top of the
Oh,
trend.
nice. Solid little move of a night. Jordan, you don't trade SPY QQQ as much anymore?
But
Honestly, I trade SPY and QQQ pretty much just as much. It's just today I didn't trade SPY because look at it the first like 30 minutes. It was just trash. So I tried to short it twice today. Got stopped out of both trades. So I just went over to individual names because that's what was actually moving, you know. It's not necessarily that I stopped trading SPY. I mean, yesterday, all I traded was SPY. And I took one trade on it yesterday. What was it? Yeah, right here. This is a great example of CBC, the trade from yesterday, Diesel. I would listen up here. So yesterday we opened up on SPY. We were holding CBC bullish. Nice impulsive moves. I was waiting for a short, but I wasn't going to short until my trigger came. So right here we got a CBC flip bearish, but that's not my trigger. Just because CBC flips bearish doesn't mean I take shorts, because we were consistently making higher highs and higher lows throughout the morning. So until I saw a lower high and CBC flip bearish, I wasn't going to take puts. When did we see that? We saw CBC flip bearish here, but no lower high yet. So we waited. SPY got the bounce. We tried to flip CBC bullish back here. And then the next candle got slapped. This was the lower high. So I was watching here and I was saying, okay, this is the possibility for the lower high here. And then on this candle, we got the CBC flip. So this candle closed, this candle opened, I entered the puts and held them CBC bearish all the way up until we flipped, which CBC flipped bullish here. And that's where we got stopped out of the rest of our trades. We were scaling profits as we moved down, but stopped out of the rest on that candle there. It's a perfect example of CBC working out from yesterday. So we're getting the lower high, you see? We've been making lower highs all day. Remember, we're not in an uptrend. Just remember, you might be in calls. You might have gotten the CBC flip bullish, but we're not in an uptrend yet, right? So got to anticipate the lower highs to keep forming until we get this higher low off hedge pressure. I am anticipating we try a higher low off hedge pressure, but we'll see. Still rejecting. Yep, still rejecting the 113. 15-minute 9 EMA. That's not good. But if we can make a higher low and reclaim that 113, negate this lower high, could be good. That's what I'm saying, Casey. If we get a higher low, it's good, but we're also still making consistent lower highs all day. So
Yeah.
just got to wait for that higher low.
Yeah, this is a short to pop opportunity until it proves you otherwise.
Yep. I'm with ya.
That's all SPY is right now.
CBC did flip bullish on that 11:40 candle Eastern.
Yeah. Wow, look at you talking Eastern. I love it.
I try to do the math as fast as I can in my brain, but if I can't do the math fast enough, I just say Pacific Standard Time. That's how you know.
Yeah, he only gets confused once it's like closer to noon because then he's like, shit, now I gotta add. I gotta do the conversion.
Yeah.
Whenever you're reading +3.
Tesla about to go down to low of day here. 209.
Anyone else Tesla with me? Put your hand up in the air. Or is it just me? I put my hand. I guess it's just me.
Energy transfer executive chairman said company does not expect the atomic program to
wait, I gotta put my hand down.
Pipeline is not affected by U.S. Army program engineers for intensive draft environmental impact study with further action.
Next hourly close in 10 minutes.
Molson, no, I do not.
Like to see Tesla too.
1 second, my dogs. That was a boing.
Oh yeah, that was a boing, not a thing. You're right.
Bro, Sim knows what's up. Anita McSween. She knows what's up, bro.
I don't get it.
You need to watch the live stream that Drake did, and you'll fucking understand. Anita McSween. Maple. My boy Maple knows. Bro, I'm so happy. Go to the GIFs. Go to the GIFs, Maple, and look at the Anita McSween GIFs. Oh, these are great. Oh, I love this. Get ready for every one of my GIFs to be that. Well, you posted a small account yet?
No, because I'm still in a trade.
Ah, gotcha. Gotcha, big dog.
PayPal's also in a 30-minute squeeze right now.
Well, don't do that.
What's she doing?
I don't know, put a little bit of a red candle, but it still looks like a bull flagish, kinda.
Reject that VWAP hard.
SMCI, new high a day for those who took the $500 call.
Here we go. Come on now. We're about to really create a new uptrend here.
That's correct. Let's do it.
Did you scale?
Fuck no.
Are you underwater?
I'm down 2.5% somehow. I thought I'd be down more. But I am down 2.5%. Which is weird because I was down more than that. It's the opposite theta right now because I was down more than that a few minutes ago when we were at this exact same price. I never went green and I'm green right now. I don't know how that's...
Okay.
Oh, I guess I did.
Use
I
a scale
lied.
spot on the long.
There's your high or low. I mean, be perfect. You need that higher high break now.
Big little pullback before we send it.
Guys, sneak peek. It's not even out yet, but Tesla earnings contest starts in 4 hours.
The 5-minute candle that really matters.
So whoever guesses the price that Tesla closes at after earnings, so that's the closing price in after hours, not in like of the day. So wherever it closes at, if you guess it right, get $100, $100 holla. Yo, what's up, AK? It's a beautiful morning, baby. K-Web paid overnight. Snow
I'm gonna go get some of the
paid
I'll be back
off the
shortly.
lows. We're happy campers today.
Okay.
Go get some grub, KG. Got in spy calls right before you started talking about it. Let's go. Yep. Got my test of hedge pressure. CBC flip, bullish, high or low. Just need to break out of these like consistent lower lows or lower highs we've been making.
Shark, do you have the trend line drawn? Because I don't. Hold on.
What trend line?
Trimming here against VWAP up 20%. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm just
Good stuff.
visually. I'm having a hard time, like where we are right now, telling if we're above or below. So I'm just gonna open
We're like right at it.
Trend Spider to get my little trend.
Just go from. You could go from the 925 high, and then just go down from there.
Wait, the 925?
Yeah, the opening high of that 5-minute candle. And just trace that lower. We're like right at the trend line. We're just peeking our head just a little bit above.
Yeah, we are.
Almost there on this prediction.
It's doing the gopher.
It's on cue.
I got out all my spy puts as a hedge for a loss. It's okay, it happens. Move on.
We never lost that lower VWAP band, which is the only reason I didn't sell. We were riding it for a while, and it was really, my cheeks were clenching, but they never got clapped. Let's go. From the lower VWAP band to the moon, to the moon.
I don't think that could have been a simpler entry for the longs. I mean, you came down to hedge pressure. Could have taken it there with the extra risk. Or you could have waited till CBC flipped above hedge pressure. Or you could have waited till all that happened and then grabbed the higher low. I mean, doesn't get much better than that, folks. You want confluence? You got confluence. There was also yesterday's low right below hedge pressure as well. So, I mean, that's as good as it gets right there for you.
Shark, do I trim at the WAP this time? Or
It's as good as it gets right there.
About to be 12 o'clock.
You want A+ opportunity? That's, I mean, what better, what more A+ opportunity intraday would you want? Right there. How's the futures trading been going? It's been going good. I'm getting more used to how things are moving. Haven't done any today. But yeah. Tons of confidence there for me to take that one. Small stop loss. Yeah, AK, the only reason I didn't grab any is because your boy, I've already made. I'd be stupid to trade anymore today, honestly. I'm way above what I normally make. There's no reason for me to take any more risk, or else I would be in that too.
Take it all off, sure. Well,
Boom! Go. She going. Sharky wants that. Anita mock swing. They don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. Anita mock swing. When I upgrade the stream a little bit and we get like subscriber notifications on the screen, we all know what sound effect I'm using. Come on. It's my boy Drizzy.
I did that a little late. I did that on the rejection, which I did not like.
Who are you using for futures?
Did not like.
Well, when I actually trade real money, I'm going to be trading futures on Trade Aries like I trade options. I trade everything on Trade Aries. But to practice paper trading futures right now, I'm on Ninja Trader. CBC holding bullish. So, oh, you're on this candle. What's your stop loss? Or what would my stop loss be? 5-minute close below this level. 483.30. Next candle opens. We're going to move the stop up to the previous candle low. And you keep doing that until you get stopped out. Simplicity. Shout out Maple Stacks. He's the man.
Fired up. F you.
He is the reason I know about CBC.
What? Actually, that was quite common where I went to high school. Yeah, because during the off-season with the cheerleading competition season, and they needed like the big guys to throw the girls up in the air. Yeah. Yellow bull flag. Recapture previous egg close.
Is it actually skipping like that? No, that's not cool. You're not doing a funded account? No, I have no reason to do a funded account at the end of the day. No. I'd rather trade my own money. I don't want all these unnecessary limitations on myself. I could probably do great in a funded account. It's just like, why would I put those limitations on myself? Having, like, I'm all for having rules, but the rules they have in those accounts are ridiculous a lot of the times. Like, it's too much. I feel like I don't know, in trading, like, we trade because we want to have freedom, right? And like, the way a funded account has so many little things, so many little rules. Like, I'm all for having a trading plan and rules, but the way they do it, it limits you to only be able to do so much. How much do you need to do your own money on Aries? Like $500. Why would you give any percentage to anyone for your own gains? Yeah, I mean, now, not to say, like, if you can't afford to fund your account, I totally understand it. You know what I mean? But, like, I'm good. You know what I mean? If I'll just fund my own account and I'll be all good, I just don't want to have those unnecessary limitations at the end of the day. Yeah, you got to trade someone else's rules. That's the problem. I'm all for trading with rules, but they're going to be on my terms. You know what I mean? They're going to be on my terms for my emotions and for my strategy. When you get into a funded account, you're you're essentially, again, it works. Like, I know plenty of people that kill it on funded accounts, but you're trading someone else's rules trying to trade your plan. It's an interesting mix that I don't like, personally. So, that's why I don't do that. But I don't bash funded accounts. If you're in a funded account, I'm not bashing you at all. Keep going. Like, keep killing it. At the end of the day, like, there's a use for them, right? And it's the perfect business model as well. The companies are making so much money because 90% of retail traders fail, right? So they make money off people failing, which sucks, but those people are probably going to fail anyway, right? If they didn't have a funded account, they would probably save up enough money to fund their own account, and they'd probably still fail. At the end of the day, it's a sad truth. I hate to say that, but it's a sad truth. And it's the perfect business model because they will continue to always, always, always make money. Because there will always be the majority of people that just lose at this game. There's never going to be a time, I don't think, where the majority of people are winning. You know what I mean? Or doing good. Or successful in the stock market, you know? I'm waiting on TradeStation to get approved for Aries. Hate Weeble now. Little tip, if you're waiting to get approved, hit them up in the Discord. The Discord's completely free. Go in there, join it, and talk to them. Talk to the crew in there. They have the whole team in there. They should be able to speed up the process. I waited about 2 weeks for it, but after 2 weeks, it was all good. I had a guy willing to give me $100K to trade for him. Oh, hell no. Turn that shit down real quick. No thanks. No thank you, sir. It's a sell the dream to anyone who doesn't have... Absolutely. Ride the lightning. You just explained it perfectly. It is a sell the dream to anyone who doesn't have 25K. Not even... At the end of the day, not even 25K, you know? It's like 5K. What team we're at on Discord? If you go to tradearies.com, there should be a spot somewhere where they say join the free Discord. Join the Discord there. Go in the general chat and just tell them, hey, having some problems or I'm waiting on this. Could you help speed it up? I use Tasty Trade but kept getting wrecked just in fees because it adds up. Yeah, man. That's another thing. If you're trading on TradeStation, literally just make an Aries account. Because if you're trading on TradeStation, you're paying for fees. But if you make a Trade Aries account and you just connect your Trade Aries account to your TradeStation, you won't pay any fees. It's that simple. It's fucking awesome. That's another reason why I love Trade Aries. And of course, like, hey, guys, at the end of the day, if you're making actual money, like, fees don't bother you. But I don't know about you. I'd rather save that money if I can. You know what I mean? Me personally, because, like, I know I would end up paying a few thousand at least in a year, if not more, in fees. I'm not trying to do that if I don't have to. You know what I mean? I know I can, but, like, why would I do that if I don't have to, you know? So, love what Retta's doing over at Trade Aries. He's killing it. Think Amazon will continue to dump here? Let's take a look. Yeah. We're coming down into morning demand at pre-market lows. That's where I'd expect the bounce at pre-market lows here. 154.18, 16, 17. To make a higher low on the day. Fees here in Canada are wild. Oh, I bet. AK. Oh. The one place that Aries, like, isn't doing business is in Canada. And it's not even because they can't. They are 100% willing and able to. But Canada won't let them yet. I think they have to get away from TradeStation first, and then they can. But that's coming real soon, so hopefully soon you can get into that, because, bro, I'm sure you'd save so much money if you weren't paying fees, AK. Holy shit. $10 per transaction? Yeah. Screw that. $10 a transaction? No thanks. I mean, it's not too bad if you're working with good size, but Weeble just open here. They charge like $3 per transaction, but no options. Yeah, they don't charge on the options. Well, technically they do though. It's like they say they don't. It's weird. They say they don't, but like if you look at your sells when you sell option contracts, they don't take like barely any. It's not even noticeable, but they take like a few cents. It's weird. but it's like servicing fees and shit. Aries doesn't have that, from what I know. Aries is like 100% free on the options, stocks and options. If you want to trade equity, SPX, futures, you got to pay fees on Aries. But they're still cheap, and I can talk to Retta, and I'm sure I can get them down even cheaper. It's another higher low on SPY. Has CBC flipped bearish? Nope.
Yeah, on the 15-minute.
No stop out of your longs. Bing bong.
We are back at the
They don't
starting
offer
of the
options
video.
in Canada yet. Oh, Webull doesn't? I didn't know that. I thought they did.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, Will, you'd have to get that momentum at least.
What were you talking about?
We just got
Aries.
some momentum. Did you not see
Webull
how
does.
quickly we just got back there?
Yeah, Aries not yet, but it's coming, baby. It's coming.
Yeah,
I went to trade Aries and they direct me to TradeStation and I applied. I guess I'm waiting to be approved. Yeah, you're just waiting to be approved, Diesel Man. Like I said, go in the Discord. They will. I just asked them, is there anything we can do to speed up the process?
Because every time I'm about to come, he's like, don't.
No, it's just because he took short at the same time that we were going long.
I got out for a loss, paper.
Did you? I thought you were in. Oh, my bad.
No, I got
No,
out.
he said he sold for a loss.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're fine. I sold for a loss like 4 candles ago. 1, 2, 3, 5
Is Baby Paper here?
He's going a little bit lower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I sold 5 candles ago.
I wouldn't be surprised if Sharky decided he wanted to be short right now.
So Ray, what you do is you just go to Trade Aries and you sign up for an account, and then when it takes you to TradeStation, that's where you just log in with your normal TradeStation. You might not even have to log in. It'll probably just take you to your normal TradeStation account. So yeah, you just make a Trade Aries account, and then it'll automatically direct you to TradeStation. They are getting away from all that soon, guys. Trade Aries Pro is coming, which is going to be like the Thinkorswim version of Trade Aries, fully customizable. It's going to be awesome. And with that, they're no longer going to be with TradeStation. So that's going to be awesome. Can't wait for that. SPY's still struggling around this 200 EMA, but CBC is holding bullish, getting higher lows. Looks decent. What's Apple doing? Apple's been kind of chugging. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is where I ES long 100. Yeah.
Are you papering?
I'm not even papering right now.
No, you're not even.
You know, I love to do it, but it's a little tough while I'm streaming. It's just a little tough while I'm streaming. Well, it gets really glitchy when I open NinjaTrader for some reason, so I just been kind of doing it outside of when I stream.
Tesla trying for new lows for day, stuck at 209.
There you go, Apple.
This is fine to me. SMCI, I'm out of my place.
It's okay if you didn't register with Aries first. If you had a TradeStation account first, it's fine. You just want to go and sign up for Trade Aries, and then when it directs you to TradeStation, it'll probably, like, when I did it, I'm pretty sure it just directed me to the TradeStation account I already had. Just took me straight to it. I don't remember if I had to log in or not, but either way, you'll just have to log into your normal TradeStation account, and then when you do that, should be good to go. If you already have funds in a TradeStation account, they should already be there. I think. I'm not 100% sure on that. It might take a few business days to settle. And again, if you guys are having like any problems, just go in the Discord, because they can actually like control shit. I can't control anything, so, or else I would approve everybody. Spy struggling to get over VWAP. Might take another trim here. Yeah, little safety trim just to be smart. CBC still holding. It's that red line or the blue one. Dark. Living large. I got 2 phones, one need to charge. Between or the calls. 2 pay when I die, put my money in the grip. I need CC slap in the base with a max in the kid. Watts. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. There we go. That probably sounded like trash. Just got back from class. Are you in a trade? No, sir. No, sir. We caught those K-Web calls overnight. We caught snow almost at the low of day. What else did we catch? We tried some spy puts, but didn't get those to work. So we are chilling now. Spy little embers. Above hedgy. I like the higher low here.
somebody put a huge bet on Tesla called 310.
Ooh.
7 million. There's 210 bets on the table. Total premiums $8.4 million.
Damn.
I don't remember what this signal was, but I just got upchucked on pretty heavy.
The hell is upchuck?
What's up, John?
That means we're going up.
Pretty heavy. Got the chunks on me.
Oh, okay.
Local dominant.
Guys, keep that in mind that Tesla bid is 200, right? It's 1.7 million alone. 210 more.
Not Josh.
Is
By the way, your papers, christening is not christening.
what?
That's bath time.
Oh yeah, I don't even remember what I got. I remember it was something for the bath. Was it the bath mat?
Yeah.
Now your knees won't hurt.
Legit.
Love me some Brent Fire ass, baby. Damn.
That thing gets used like great.
Good.
I just wanna know if you pretend. Yeah, that inverse is trying to set up. Why did that skip? Oh, that was the end of it. No way. Why is it so choppy like that? What the fuck? I don't understand. Hear that? Oh. That's why. Mac closed. We need that open for the music to work. Still not. Why does it sound like shit, dude? Paper Vomi? Might be. They don't hold this like 483 hedge pressure. Might be the Vomi. Actually pissed. Oh, but that works fine. Perfect. That's alright, that's alright.
Amazon selling off here.
This is where we like to get long. Let's do this. Let's just throw a little intraday.
483 hedgy.
So this would be.
I'm actually gonna add a little here, which is not advised.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm not for position.
No, but I'm saying like as far as my strategy, I don't usually like to do that. But in this case, I like it for the setup, but I'll sell it at break. I'm not gonna wait for that lower VWAP band again this time.
I'm not gonna add like in the middle of this red candle.
I am, because we're right above the thing, the top of the trend.
If we found
Yeah.
something.
Tesla new low of day.
Let it burn. Burn it all.
Watch, that's going to be the perfect entry. Watch paper.
I know.
I'm usually not a bear.
Watch. And then I'll be like, damn, I wish I didn't have a position before that, and that was my only entry.
Right.
Roar. I'm trading like mid to
Right into my
851 now on RBS 10 real big thing down.
All right, and I don't know if
What's
Mike
your average?
Mike or not, but is I don't know. Does anyone know a good sympathy to land research?
sheep research.
Okay.
yeah, ham research is good too.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate that.
Sympathy to lamp? I forgot that.
I appreciate the insight.
I got you.
You got it. You got it, not Josh. Let's see if, well, we don't have it, to be
We
fair.
don't have it yet, but we're going to have it.
We might. We cannot go any lower. No more ads. That's my full position.
You know what's going to happen? I'm going to be holding it through all this nonsense, and then I'm going to sell it for like 0.2% gain.
Yeah.
Because that's just how I've been trading.
Because it's, 12:30. Like a bunch of numbnuts. Trading in the middle of that. Okay.
There we go. Let's go, Spy. Show us your balls.
That PayPal dip buy from yesterday notch is working out well. Yeah, we're up again. PayPal green.
Jordan,
Yes, sir.
look at Starbucks.
Oh shit! In the dumpies. In the dumpies. 92s. Bye bye. Casey was right all along.
I mean, what else is new?
That you're not 6'2".
Dude, motherfucker tall.
Did you say he's not 6'2"? Oh, he's 6'2".
Theoretically speaking, he's 6'2", from what I hear.
Oh no, Will knows how long I am.
Ah.
He's tall, but he's also short right now.
Yeah, he's definitely short. I'll give you that.
Yeah, so it's me, Paper, and Whale versus K3 and AJ.
For what?
Pop, so
I'm
like,
so confused. You wear what? Who are long?
Yeah. Me,
Yeah, I'm
Poppy
short.
Ad, and Sharky Poo. But
Yeah, I'm short.
Oh, we in lunch right now. So
Yeah, Tesla. Good call out, Casey. Tesla below 210. I love it. Give me 200. Netflix has earnings today. You know what would be really cool if we got a move like, what was it, a year ago on Netflix? Or was it 2 years ago now? It was like
what, that
50 bucks.
$100 move?
Yeah, like was it $80 move or something? To the downside?
I think it was over 100.
Probably was at one point.
the implied move on Netflix is only like $30 so far.
Yeah. I thought he got over 100 after hours, but then it opened up down like 80 or 90. I don't remember.
Oh, maybe.
It was insane. I don't remember what caused it.
Earnings.
Well, yeah, not that, but like, was it the guide of the earning or was it real revenue? I don't remember the details anymore.
I just remember I was in a Discord and some girl had a lot of puts And I just remember doing the math on the intrinsic value, and it was over 150K profit for her.
Gee. Quick, take the year off.
Sorry, guys. I know I'm quiet. I'm just typing this up.
Did you
Beautiful
hear,
higher low right above hedge pressure, though.
Did you hear Exclusives trade
Beautiful.
SMCI after it had the $100?
What did you trade today? I traded. So I got those K-Web calls last night. I had 10 of them at 68 cents and sold them for right at open for like 75%. I sold half, and then the other half, or the other,
Mikey was up a shit ton on SMCI.
there were like another 2 or 3 cons that I sold for like 100%.
I don't know what the final percentage
And then the
is.
rest, I
But,
sold the
just
rest
thinking
for like
about that number,
65,
it's like,
70%.
you just have one run.
And then
100,000%.
caught snow. That's the tweet I'm typing up right now. We caught snow off that 200 EMA. Made the higher low, rode that all the way. Where did I get stopped out on the last of them? I held runners all the way till here, but we were scaling out on the way up. And then I tried to short SPY a few times early in the morning, but we just weren't going anywhere, so I didn't touch it anymore. I was like, I'll just stay away from SPY. I'll trade the individual names instead, you know. So yeah, that's what we did. I was in the Babas. Let's go. Tesla earnings could bring it to 175. That would be where I start buying. Solid, bro. That'd be a solid spot. That's like where my average is. 171-ish.
Alright, SPY, quit fucking around. I don't even care if you go down at this point, just go somewhere.
We got 30 minutes left.
Wrap up.
I'd rather you go on because I'm long. But at this point, just do something.
Alright, that's cool. Music's not bad, but I want my Bremphias again. See if this works. I'm convinced that it's this song.
5 minutes on spot. I'm gonna let you guys.
Yeah, it doesn't. Alright, my finger on the trigger to sell this bitch. For a loss.
Terrible.
Oh well. Red Day.
See if this one's any better. It's just that track. It's so weird. See you, Wreck-It Ralph. I see you. If you got Spotify, there's a bunch of copyright beats on. Ooh, okay. Check that out too. Might have to make a Spotify. I don't know if I have one. Snow still holding? Yeah, Snow still holding that high from yesterday. Gosh, Snowy's still holding. I got out, but if that holds yesterday's high, I think we could get another leg up. I don't know if it happens today, but it's Snowy.
So for those of you who haven't read the write-up I did on Snow, NVIDIA, SMCI, and what was the other one, MTV, I posted it at the top of your screen.
Well, I have no idea what those squiggly lines are, Ralph. Are they EMAs? They look like EMAs. Or like, one of them's a trend channel.
Snowflake, in my opinion, is going to, it's going to be very volatile over the next year to 2 years. And
My AirPod just died.
Right up to why, what it actually means for their partnership with NVIDIA. So.
Never sell. It's in the never sell bucket.
Yeah, I'm just tired of watching this shit.
No shit.
This entire day.
Trash.
Bears in. Let's go. What was the highest day?
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, quote of the day, baby. Making money is action. Keeping money is discipline. Growing money is knowledge. I love that. I love that. So true. Making money is action. Keeping money is discipline. Growing money is knowledge. Big facts. AK quote of the day.
Microsoft 410 call January 26th.
Oh, damn. Microsoft going. I not going with it because Apple said I'm gonna just sit here for a little bit.
Okay, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I'm seeing like $230, $205 call flow for AMD.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
SPX turns down by biologics and high enough.
You know, 37 cents. I think I'm sending Rebel X-ray, ESPX.
Holy, they're getting under the price here on the 15-minute.
I feel like the girl goalie in what's it called? Mighty Ducks when she was just really bored and skating in circles and like thinking about being bored.
Dude. Mighty Ducks.
I shared all the screenshots on AMD in the group, guys. Take a look at them.
Are you talking about in here, Mike, or your group?
No, sorry, Telegram. I thought it was me. My bad.
No.
I saw a 220 call come in for December 20th, 755,000.
Oh, he's looking at AMD right now.
Yo, Will, what do you make of all of that call flow for ARM? Like, bro, tell me that's not like.
Because so like when I'm watching the flow, since I primarily only trade SPY or SPX, I literally keep my my filters.
Call flow filtered, yeah.
No, I don't even. It's just all flow for SPY, SPX, QQQ, NDX, IWM, and RED. And I just watch because the way we do it on Whalestream, it's all like color coded by sentiment. So like sold calls are red. So I could literally just watch in the corner of my eye and get a good idea of like the sentiment coming in just from the color.
How much you up today, Ace?
Very nice.
Let's just say we're up plenty more than what we normally are up.
Seeing sold puts come through.
We're normally making anywhere from about $500 to $1,000 bucks. It depends on the price action, of course. But I will say, with K-Web opening up the way it did, and then catching snow, has me up good on the day. I don't even know. Like, I might take one of these days off throughout the week, to be honest. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I want to play the opportunities if they're here, you know. But today was a good day. I wasn't really expecting today to be such a good day, but K-Web hit. So, snow hit, right? Like, the best thing about VWAP level is that it's not time frame sensitive. It's pricing. Yeah, I get you, yeah.
Like take my dog
Absolutely.
for a walk.
Is it
Time
reduction?
I used to use VWAP. Now I just took it off because I don't want another line on my chart, but VWAP is great. VWAP is definitely solid
So
indicator.
I think there may be a move coming on.
Ugh.
Um,
I was just like, God, I got too many lines on my chart. Which one could I get rid of that I don't use as much? And it was VWAP, so I was like, get rid of it. Whatever.
thank you. Energy and oil. I don't think that, like, I know there's been some.
I'm gonna take some time off too, but for the opposite, yeah. It's okay. I was doing that like 3 weeks ago, so don't worry, it's all good. Let's see. SPY higher lows. And that's a 15-minute higher low, trying to reclaim Mikey's 113. Hard to be short here, even though this is a spot that if they were to short it, this is the spot they slap it. You can see, if it was a short, they would have slapped it hard off this test. But they didn't, right? We held up, made the higher low. Now we're testing it again, so definitely leaning more towards the bullish side here, but we do need a higher high out of this range, so we'll see. Nothing is working for me this month. Faked out the whole time. I get you. Dude, that was me, like, right at the beginning of the year. That was me, bro. Seriously. The best thing you can do is size it down, take a step away, reevaluate, your strategy, what you're doing on a, like, daily basis. And make sure you're only taking those good opportunities, When day trading, I will eliminate EMAs before I cut the VWAP levels. I get that. I guess I'm opposite. I want price action, not historical price action. Yeah, I guess I'm opposite there because I do want the historical pricing, if that makes sense. But I get you. I 100% get you. VWAP is a day trading intraday indicator for sure. So I totally understand your view on that. For sure. I guess I'm just the opposite. I'd rather have my EMAs than VWAP, for sure. But I totally get you, Ralph. I get what you're saying. If you're in a rough stretch, go paper trade for a couple days. Honestly, such facts. Like, it scratches that itch still, you know what I mean? But you're able to get back in the rhythm without having to risk your own money, Or at least just size down, So Diesel Man, Mike's 113. I don't have the actual 113 EMA on my chart, but I have the 9 EMA, which is my white line. So if you have the 9 EMA on and you go to the 15-minute chart, it's the exact same EMA as Mikey's 113 on the 1 minute, if that makes sense. I know it's weird, but it's the same level that he calls out all the time. I'm at my 113. I'm at my 113. That's the 15-minute 9 EMA. They're the exact same EMA. It's very interesting. So why do I do that? I do that because if I didn't do that, I'd have to have an extra EMA on my chart, the 113. You know what I mean? Whereas I can just have the 9 EMA and the 21 and the 200, and then I can still get, I can still see the 113 level without actually having to have that EMA also on my chart, because I like my charts cleaner. And gosh, like, my charts are not even clean. I mean, you take these off. You take these off and it's a lot cleaner. But with the algo and the CBC flip, it gets a little jumbled. If you're in a good stretch of trading, paper trading is a good idea. Anytime you feel good or bad, step back. Yeah, man. either that or just taking a step back like today. I'm up significantly more than I usually am, right? So should I come into tomorrow expecting a big day of gains or expecting to make a ton of trades? No. I might take the whole day off. Shit. You know? So at the end of the day, it's tough. You got to have that I guess realistic self-assessment of yourself. You know what I mean? Should I really be doing this again? Should I be trying to expect another big day of gains after coming off a huge day? I don't know. Right? That's why tomorrow I'm going to go in. I'll be sizing down tomorrow for sure. And just playing lighter. I mean, playing less probably. I don't even know if I'll take any trades at all, but we'll see. Seeing some hesitation again at this 200 EMA. We could make another lower high here, so. This is when it gets coin flippy, is when we start making those lower highs, but we're also making higher lows. It's just going to continue to make lower highs and higher lows until the price action gets too tight and it has to bust one way, right? It has to break out to the upside or downside. We just don't know when. We just don't know when or which way that's going to happen, right? From experience, you prefer cash or margin account? I guess it's based on the equity you have, but still want to hear your thoughts. Yeah, it's definitely based on how much money you have. So I would say, obviously, I mean, if you're under 25K, you have to be in a cash account, right? You have to, if you want to be able to day trade. Now, if you get to the 25K, I see a lot of people get to 25K and they initially switch to margin, which I think is a mistake. I wouldn't switch to margin until you have probably 30,000. I mean, some people will say way more. Some people will say you shouldn't switch to margin until you have 60K. But I would say, you know, give yourself 5 to 10 grand of cushion. You know what I mean? Because if you get to margin, you're at $26,000 and you make $1,000 or a $2,000 loss, now you're getting margin called, right? So you want to give yourself 5 to 10 grand of cushion depending on your risk tolerance. But I do prefer margin, yeah. Now, do I ever use margin? Absolutely not. I don't like the margin accounts because you're able to use margin money. I don't give a fuck about that. All I care about is, oh, I don't have to worry about having settled cash or unsettled cash. With a cash account, you can only trade settled cash, right? If your cash is unsettled, like for instance, example, if I make a trade on SPY right now and I put $1,000 in and I made $500, I sell, I get $1,500, right? In a cash account, you can't just use that $1,500 or that $500 that you made plus the 1,000 that you used to make it. You can't use that money right away again. With a margin account, you can. So that's why I do prefer the margin account, because you're able to trade as much as you want. But even then, do I ever take that many trades? No. I just like to have that opportunity if I want to, right? I don't like to be limited to anything, but yeah, I do prefer the margin. Take 5 accounts, 50K, then split the account and trade shares on one with hedging. Yeah, man, that's the way to do it, Ralph, right there. Look at SPY! Price action gets tighter and tighter, and then boom, just happens. That was a beautiful move. Let's go, Sharky!
Go!
Sharky's in it.
Sharky just
This was fast.
what? Office. Let's go. Look at that spider. Shark wasn't kidding 30 minutes ago when he said break off. Another 30 minutes, guys.
Right? So close to our 80. Did we tag it?
No way.
50. Wow, Ed.
I don't use margin. I just want to be able to short. Yeah, if you want to actually short stocks, you got to be in margin. I believe. Yeah, you got to be in margin. I'm pretty sure. Or it's like you have to have at least like $4,000. I forget what it is. But the problem with shorting stocks that I really don't like, the problem with shorting stocks is like there's, at least I've only shorted actual shares on Webull. So take this with a grain of salt. But I know with Webull, Like, you go to short a stock and it's going to tell you, like, you have to pay a certain percentage of your gains to that, like, the shareholders of that company, because they're lending you those shares to short, if that makes sense. Because when you short shares, it's not like you're buying puts. It's not like that. You are borrowing shares from the brokerage, right? You're literally borrowing shares from the brokerage to sell, and then you buy them back at a lower price, right? So it's not as simple as like buying puts is, if that makes sense. And it sucks. You got to pay a percentage to them. It's like, that's why I say, like, if you want to like short shares and stuff, just go to futures, because futures trading is exactly like shares trading, but it's leveraged. It's like, it's if shares trading and options trading went together, right? It's very interesting. Credit spreads require margin, so I only have, yeah, that too. Credit spreads require margin for sure. Weeble bucks on active trader now since last update. It doesn't sell you. Oh, that's interesting. I never used the active trader. I personally don't like it. I like it on futures though. I do like it on futures, but on options I don't. Excuse me.
Whoa. Oracle. ORCL. This is extreme high risk. 114 call. January 26th.
Oh no, I can't type that crap. Go, go, go.
SPY 45, 78 by end of day. Bro, put it in predictogram. Shit.
Look at that stick on Apple.
Stick on me. What? I mean on Spy.
My mouse just stopped working, bro.
Or Apple.
This is supposed to scroll. I'm just having problems with everything this morning, jeez. Now it works. 2-year note auction in a few minutes. Ooh, forgot about that. We got that 2-year note auction here in a few minutes.
Oh yeah.
NDB.
Oh yeah.
Now.
Microsoft, $410 call, up 30%.
Let's go.
Let's go. Sharky just caught a fat move on futures right there. I think he was in like down here. It's a massive move on futures. Give me 1 second. Jordan, I've been following you on Twitter Spaces for the last 3 months. Just today, I found out you had a YouTube stream. This is so much better. The others on Spaces can be a bit much at times. Well, I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I get it. No worries. I know Spaces can be a lot. You know, it's not for everyone, having everybody kind of in there. I mean, I know a lot of people love it, of course. That's why we have such a big audience. But, you know, it's not for everyone. Some people maybe want just a more chill experience with it. So, appreciate you. I'm live every day now, baby. So, come join us. Love to have you. Can I use Aries to execute on my phone? Yeah, that's actually where I execute all my trades, Diesel Man. I watch the chart on the computer, and I enter my trades on my phone. Yeah, Diesel Man, I personally really like the Trade Aries app. It's it's just super simple. You know what it feels like? The best way I can explain the Trade Aries app is it feels like a better Robinhood. Like if Robinhood did things right is what it feels like. You know? Appreciate what you do. Glad you have a nice balance of professionalism, analysis, and chill. Oh, I appreciate you, Jay. You the man. Appreciate you, brother. It's been a beautiful day, bro. I know I've said this for everybody listening, but for Jay that came in, dude, we swung those K-webs with Mikey. Those went crazy. We hit the snow off that 200 EMA this morning and got stopped out trying to short SPY. Kept trying to short SPY and got stopped on that. Took like 2 back-to-back losses, but snow covered us on those losses. So in K-web, so it's been a good day. Been a good day. All my predictions are hitting on Predictogram as well. You guys watch me enter those. Those are doing good. I've been with Spaces since I've been with Jordan since Spaces started. Spaces can be a bit crazy, but I'm glad you're on YouTube. Yeah. No, Spaces does get wild for sure. I like having the 2 separate audiences, I'm not gonna lie. I love having like the Spaces audience. And then like I hope you guys realize you guys get a way more detailed experience. You know what I mean? Through each one of my trades. Like on Spaces, I'm like, yeah, I'm taking these. You know what I mean? And it's not because I don't want to detail it, but it's like we have everybody calling out stuff. I can't sit there and detail out every move of a trade for 5 minutes straight, 10 minutes straight. You know what I mean? But on here I can, right? On here I can literally walk you through every single little move and talk to you about every single little move and still be like, hey guys, I'm taking this on Spaces. You know what I mean? So it's cool. It's very cool. I definitely think though, if you're joining here, like you guys get a more detailed experience for my trading. You know what I mean? And the same thing you would get if you went to Sharky's YouTube, right? I don't know if he live streams, but I know he makes videos. But same thing, right? I know live chat. I know. Dude, Spaces needs a live chat. I don't understand why it's not a live chat. Like it's a chat, but it's not live. You know, consistently running like that. I got people around. Yeah, no, I get you. I'm going to have to figure that out when I go down to LA because I generally have a lot of people around as well. That might be a problem. But I told Gus, I was like, yo, I need a spot that like I can like just like do my live streams, do the Spaces. And he's like, I got you. So we should be good. I think I'm going to be going down to LA this upcoming week, guys. So we'll be doing the Spaces from there. That'll be fun. Spaces is the market where you pick your trader to follow. I agree for sure. You know what I mean? Like if I was a listener, I mean I did this anyway. It's just I didn't have people to listen to on Spaces at the time, but I did this with like YouTubers, right? Like I would watch certain trading people on YouTube and you know, some guys would say some stuff I like, some guys would say some stuff I didn't like. I just picked out what kind of felt the best for me and kind of formed my strategy from that, you know what I mean? And then of course meeting Bueller and a bunch of other people that helped me out, you know. If Spaces had a live chat, YouTube streaming would get hurt. It probably would. But then again, you look at like the Twitter streams that are happening. I mean, I don't know. Is YouTube getting hurt from that? I wonder. I think YouTube gets hurt most from Twitch. Which is that's where I want to do the live stream for the games. I just feel it's better to have the trading live streams on YouTube because this is where I put the educational videos, right? So it's like it makes sense to have the educational, you know, stock market stuff all on YouTube. And then when I'm cranking 90s on Fortnite, we'll be on Twitch. We'll be on Twitch there.
So, like, if that car starts backing up, you're just gonna hit it and then boom, you're out.
Love your sounds. Oh, thanks, brother. I can't, sadly, until I like figure out the way to do it. I need to like buy a license or something to a certain website, but like I can't just play whatever music I want. It sucks. I have to play the copyrighted, the copyright free like beats. What's this one? I can't even hear it. But this is dope. I can't hear it because I have to have it down enough to where it's not picking up on my mic, so you guys don't hear it double because my AirPods died. That's how new I am to streaming, guys. I don't got no headset yet or nothing, so we'll get there. Spaces still has a lot to fix. Yeah, they do. They do have a lot to fix, but they're doing good, and I do like the Twitter live streams. Those are good. I thought about doing the live streams on there. Well, I can do them on all platforms, really. I'm just to be honest, I don't have a good enough streaming setup for it. Like I don't think it's gonna work. I definitely will. I'll check that song out for the personal. Absolutely. Am I on full cam? Oh, no. Thought I was.
So we're at the small account is now technically not at a new all-time high because I did do the deposit of $500. But as far as dollar value on the account, it's at a new all-time high. But I still need, I guess, about.
No, it doesn't count.
No, I said yes. I'm not going to count it as a new all-time high until,
Unless you re-enter.
what?
You're enter.
As you get back in.
No, I don't have any. Well, I do, but I don't want to use it because I've been trading like shit today, and I still came out ahead.
Why are all the
so
tracks that I actually want to play
Okay.
just like all glitchy when you
But I
click
do
on
have
them?
less than what my position size should be for today. That is fine.
Like why? Dude,
I added
that's
a little bit on the
crazy.
last one.
Whatever.
I don't know. We
Wait,
should have a
are
fix
you
right
still-
here at the top of the range.
You're flat, or no?
No, I'm up 12%.
Did a bearish
What-
flip happen on
what did I
SPY?
say? Hold on.
Oh, I thought you said
Oh,
no. You're not flat.
Oh, I'm not in a position. Yes, I'm flat as far as I thought you meant flat.
ooh, maybe I would need to stream Fortnite on Twitter then, Jay. Ah,
Yeah, my trailing stop. Yeah.
I'm nowhere near that yet. I would have to buy a whole PC and everything, but we'll get there. Yeah, so CBC is trying to flip bearish here. It hasn't yet. We need a candle close below previous 5-minute candle low,
We can hold.
but it is trying.
Oh, fuck it. Probably. Like,
COD better than Fortnite. It's just like in terms of like it like I agree, but I can sit and play Fortnite way longer than I can play COD, if that makes sense. Like growing up, I look back like COD was a better game, 100%. Like no doubt. No doubt. But if I had to pick a game to play forever between the two, it would be Fortnite. Just cuz it's constant like it's constantly adapting. The building, there's so many different like options there. I don't know. I guess there's options in COD too. I don't know. It's preference. I love the crank 90s, man. So can't play COD high. Can play Fortnite high. You're funny. I'm gonna look back to tomorrow. I'm gonna look back to today, and I'm gonna be like, damn, I paper-handed snow. We're holding yesterday's high. It's looking nice. I was on that Modern Warfare 2 with chopper gun and C-130 shot was bad. Bro, that was where I learned how to talk shit. That was where I learned how to, like, fucking hold my own, you know what I mean? The COD lobbies, bro. Shit. Whew. Kids were mean in there, man. Now you get in the COD lobbies, everybody's so nice. I'm like, dude, you guys used to be mean. 10 prestige? Oh, Diesel Man's a goat with it, huh? Maybe you guys should start streaming games, bro. God damn. The original was Call of Duty 4. Bro, mine, I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love the first Call of Duty. And not even like multiplayer, specifically the story mode, the campaign. That was, it is such a good campaign in my opinion. And then you get to or it was Black Ops. It's Black Ops. Then you get to Black Ops 2. And
So far,
that
we're
was
getting
great as well. God, Black Ops 2 is just amazing, of course. The
Right.
original Black Ops, though, I think that's one. It's definitely one of my favorites. I don't know if it is my favorite. I love World War II. Also, campaign on there is just amazing because it reflects our history. So I love the campaign on that. I'm a big sucker for the campaigns. Multiplayer is amazing. Don't get me lie, but or don't get me wrong. But I'm a sucker for the campaigns. Black Ops 2 Zombies went crazy, bro. I remember playing COD 3 and Black Ops. Oh, yeah, the best. So much fun. By the way, guys, this dip on SPY, we did flip CBC bearish there, but we're holding the 9 EMA, and it was just a retest of this previous resistance, which now flips support. And CBC's trying to flip back bullish here. So, you know, smart to stop out when you see your CBC flip bearish.
How far can you throw it?
But maybe more experienced traders could hold on and, you know, we're holding the 9 EMA. This could get another leg up for sure. So let's see if we flip back CBC bullish. If not, might be a struggle here.
You know, honestly, you have to go back to
48.
48.
What other games were there, man? Obviously, like GTA, all that. San Andreas was fun. Those were all great, but like, I was thinking more OG.
Big candle on Amazon.
Zombies, yeah, no, I agree. I think Zombies is probably one of the best modes for sure, if not the best. I am a sucker for the campaigns, but it depends on the Call of Duty, really does. Cause like MW3 campaign, don't get me wrong, like it was fun for sure, but like not my favorite at all. Was it MW3 or MW2? I forget. I have no idea. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me. But back to stocks. Sorry. I'm such a gamer at heart, guys. Like I'm such a nerd little gamer boy. Oh my gosh. I love my games, bro. I love my games. Last chance on PLTR puts. Ooh. For real. Look at that. Short the pop all day. PLTR getting smacked. All day. Beautiful short.
Yes, sir. Oh, I mentioned it on Wolf Spaces this morning. I wasn't over here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Somebody in my stream was telling me they're heavily short. I'm like, let's go. We've been short all day, dude.
Yeah, this morning pre-market, I sent out an alert. There was a shooting star on the daily.
Let's go.
And it has the gap to fill to the downside to 16.8. So that's the full target downside for PLTR.
Let's go. You guys are awesome.
I just put a tweet there at the top of Spaces. So yesterday I had a range set for SPY, and then I used the same range going into today. So SPY is still in a big squeeze on a larger time frame, and it's getting smaller squeezes, just bouncing between this range. So I am not interested in spending a lot of time looking and trading SPY while it's inside this range. I'm going to wait for it to break out and show continuation. But most likely, that's going to be it for me today. Took my loss on Microsoft. I am green on the day for one reason only, and it's because of a great man named Michael.
Yeah!
So, shout out to Mikey from the K-Web. K-Web call swings, 115% this morning. I sold 80% of my position by then, so I'm green on the day by like $400, $500 right now because of Mikey. So
Mikey, we love you.
What's up with that? Well done, brother. Congrats.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
I appreciate the shout out. Thank you.
Of course, of course. Yeah, Amazon. I have resistance at 155.2. Amazon just ripped above it. But keep a watch on Tesla, IWM. They're just consolidating down here, not getting any top of the rest of the market. So just watch.
Now I can actually hear the music.
And I'm gonna call it a day.
I had to let my AirPod charge, so now I can actually hear it.
Guys, have a good day.
This is a good one.
Alright,
Did I
later,
save this? Let's save that.
See ya in a little bit.
J. Cole, Chris Brown, Rod Wave. Love you, Casey. Straight up killer. Savage.
Look at fucking Snowflake.
Yeah, I paper-handed. It's gonna run overnight. Somebody said snow upgraded to 212 this morning. I didn't even see that. But that definitely helped it run with me. Thanks for that. Dude, what's going on with Amazon? Hello.
Hello.
Amazon took extra, man.
Dude. I didn't even notice this whole time it was running.
They sell Viagra on Amazon?
Do what?
Guys, I suck.
What?
I'm terrible.
Did you say they sell Viagra on Amazon?
I am trash. Garbaggio.
I said it.
How do you say garbage in French or something? I don't know. Garbage in all languages. L's. That was a, oh my god. I remember too, somebody asked me about Amazon earlier. And we were like right here. We were like right here and they were like, you think Amazon keeps dumping? I'm like, yeah, I think we dump all the way to pre-market lows and then we try for a higher low there. Somebody quote me on that. I know I said that shit. Doesn't matter what I said. Right, wrong, it doesn't matter. But I like to make myself feel good. But shit, that was perfect. That played out perfectly. Very nice. I wish I played it. Fuck. All good. Hey, I got some boys that took Baba and K-Web that are in the stream, Mikey. They just wanted to thank you. They're killing it.
You're very, very welcome. Congrats. The Baba ones went up to, I think, 550, 560.
Let's go.
Something like that. They're still at 442 though.
Cooper Pace, share CD, spike activity, new highs, Foxtrot Alpha, Suzu Echo.
I love this music right now.
Franklin, what's your cost
Ooh,
base?
never mind. That's Drizzy? Oh, okay, now it's good. Now it's good. At first I was like, wait.
FAC,
I bought them at,
This is old Drizzy, bro. Old Drizzy, bro.
77. And I sold
I
them
don't think I've heard this.
I can't, it's just too monotonous. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm working on my
shares up 162%.
Oh, you were in Baba well before the call? Let's go. What do you think of Tesla earnings? Sorry, I need to get back to that. I mean, it can really go either way at the end of the day. Fundamentally, I'm not the person to ask. Like, if you're looking to, like, get, you know, reports about the company and what I think is going to happen there, I'm just not the person to ask.
like
I don't educate myself on that because I don't have time to. I follow the price action, right? Like, I personally don't go that into detail with, like, the earnings per se. Of course, long-term investing, you want to know what companies you're buying, and I know Tesla pretty well, but in terms of, like, what's coming up for the earnings and stuff, I couldn't really explain too much other than just my thoughts on price action, right? And at the end of the day, it can really go either way, right? It's 50-50, up, down, or even sideways. It could just go sideways. So I don't recommend playing it, but I've personally been buying in the long term just because my thought process is if I don't buy some right now and we rip on earnings, I'm going to be really pissed I didn't buy any. But if I do buy some and it tanks, I'm not really going to be that mad because we're going to pull right back into 200 to 190 to 200, which is where I'd like to buy more, right? So it's not going to make me too mad if I buy more and we drop, but it will make me really mad if I don't buy any and we rip. So I thought, let me pick up some more shares. My average is still around that $170, so still pretty low. But it's coin flipping, man. Earnings is a coin flip. It could go either way, right? So if we do go down, I'm thinking we push down into that 200 level. Probably consolidate for a little bit around there, 200, 198, 197-ish. If we rip, I'd expect us to get like, let's see, if we were to rip from here roughly, I'd expect us to rip pretty solidly. Up to like at least that 240-ish. That's what I'd be kind of watching, that 240-ish range. I'm long Tesla and commons, not options for a longer swing. Got you, yeah. I feel you. I'm just in the long term. Not swings, but you know, the long-term investments. And at the end, like I said, it only brought my average up to about 170, so 220 max, you think? I don't think that's a big enough move. It's earnings, man. Maybe if it's like not, maybe if it's kind of a nothing burger, you know, I could see that. But if it like has Momo, it's gonna rep a lot more than 220, I think.
I thought. Did you not? I mean, I know you saw the.
Hey, this is the one that was glitching for me, and it's not glitching anymore.
Friday's expiration, though. Like, I'm sure of it.
I see everything.
Oh, perfect. Big volume shelf at 230. Okay. I'm looking at 175 on Tesla. We see the consumer differently at this moment. That's all right. I don't mind. I'm always open to different views. Yeah, I mean, if we were to flip it, I mean, about $40 the other way, right? That'd be... Yeah. Let's see.
Microsoft, new high! Oh, my bad.
Yeah, I could see that.
Almost.
178, 175. I could see it, man. I'm not closed-minded to it at all.
Now? Vamos!
I see you, Ralph. Yeah, I'm going to try and bang that CBC video out today. I have a few meetings after market closes, but I should be able to get it done after that, and then I'll post it to my YouTube. It'll be posted for free on my YouTube, don't worry. I'll post it to Twitter and the Discord, wherever you're at, you should be able to find it.
Stuck in 90. D-Wax.
I'll be right back, y'all. Uh-oh, guys. Mikey's playing Pump It Up. You know what that means.
January 26th, 353,000.
Whoa!
$55 call, 324,000. $55 call, 306,000.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Remember about our Oracle call swing as well. Which is the $130 calls for March 16th. Well, highly unusual. It might be Mikey. Highly unusual coming in on D-Wax.
That means you get up and dance. You gotta pump it up. Pump it up. Bro, I like the tracks we're playing. I'm not gonna lie. Pump It Up's fire, but I love my Drizzy, man. Especially the little copyright-free edits. I'm liking it. But wait. Oh, I can't. Fuck.
I might sell off. Go D-Wax, damn a fucking squeeze. Fucking go!
Oh shit. What did D-Wack?
Remember the free market plan I gave you guys last night?
Boom. Go D-Wack. It's ripping. What you in? I'm not in anything. I am not in anything. I'm not gonna take anything else today.
So perfectly at that bottom. It's not even funny.
I'm good. I'm good.
Now, if she gets over this
One of the girls in our trading room actually gets up and dances with the song. She's so animated. I love that. That's awesome.
Becky.
What do you think of Nike calls? Let's see.
It's about to be so big.
You're getting a higher low on the 4 hour. CBC flipped on the 4 hour. You just have to break out of this range. You've got to break out of that 102.20. So, I mean, that's really what you're waiting for. This could be a good setup, yeah. I like the 104 target for sure. But it's all dependent on whether you or not you can break out of 102.20, right? So, just got to wait to see if that happens. But yeah, that could be a solid play.
So I don't know anything.
I don't love how we're rejecting the 9 EMA on the daily, but we are getting the higher low and CBC flipped on the daily. We're at a pivot point. If it were to lose the low, I mean, that would be a stop for me. The 5-minute intraday looks pretty decent, just flagging. Ascending triangle type pattern. Flag on the 10-minute SPY. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holding that 9 EMA, that 113 perfectly. As long as she holds that, I think you're good. 483.61. She's got to hold. Daily on Nike doesn't look as good. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't look as good on the daily, that's for sure. It's just there's still possibility of making these consistent lower highs, you know, so. Definitely no, like, real triggers long for me quite yet.
Wow. Oracle, yeah.
I think the Oracle had a movement. I gotta go check.
I'm down for some shorts. I don't know. I made my money pretty much. I don't know if I really mess around with it. But it looks like we're breaking 70 here. If we start to really accept, get excited. This is otherwise. This is alone. This is topping. This is
It was definitely movement.
This is testing the top of your structure for NQ right here.
As a shareholder, Nike, not a bad play, but hedge downside with the cavern and the pricing below. Yeah, I like what you're talking about,
paper,
Ralph.
my trailing stop worked out wonderfully.
Now you can get back in.
Let me look
And
at
I'm not taking
Walmart.
any more trades. Don't do that to me, Sharky.
Walmart's been in a decent trend to the upside. We're right at the spot it needs to hold, basically, the 21 EMA. That's your safety net on the trend. On the 4 hour. Daily looks decent, holding that daily 9 EMA, but the fact that it's been a while since we've pulled back to the 21 EMA, I think it's very possible we pull back to that 160, which is a level I have here. I don't know why I quite have that level there, but I do. It's important for some reason, so I do like a possibility of a pullback there, but if we hold the 9, of course, this 160, 150, we're just not going to do that. So I'd wait to see if we can get a move down to that 21 EMA, but depends on your time horizon for the trade as well. Nike lost Tiger Woods and Jokic. Yikes.
What's up, paper?
I mean, at the end of the day, I'm sure you guys have seen that video of Kanye, right? Talking about Nike. You would think Nike's one of the top companies, right? It's like, I wonder what number it is now, because at the time of Kanye doing that video, it was like 300 something. So yeah, like, it used to be like the 200 something most valuable company, and now it's still only the 78th most valuable company, which it's interesting, right? That, for me, it's interesting because you look at companies like PayPal, right? Companies that did better. What if Kanye goes with Nike now? That would be crazy. Oh, imagine, right? That would be crazy. But he was right in the fact that he said it, that Nike is less of a company and more of an influencer. It really is. You know, he wasn't wrong about that. It's very much there to market, right? Nike is very much there to market versus be one of the top companies that are making the top money, if that makes sense. They get think about who wears their shoes, right? Of course, they just lost Tiger Woods and Jokic, but think about who wears those shoes. Pretty much every famous celebrity that you like, rapper or whatever, they're all wearing Nike, right? It's for a reason. Nike is an influencer in itself. It's there to get people to wear Nike, literally, and that's it. Their goal. I mean, they're gonna make money regardless, but their goal is not to be the number one company. He might not be smart, but he ain't wrong. Hey, man. I don't think he was wrong about that, that's for sure. Cause I mean, you just look at the world and you see it, right? I mean, and his girl got the, well, you have eyes. Sheesh. Kanye's a very interesting person. It's very interesting. I definitely believe he thinks completely, like, I guess expanded consciousness, but like that's a little too much of what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? It's a little over exaggerated. But he definitely thinks very extravagantly. Not in a bad way, I don't think necessarily either. Like for the most part of what I've seen, at least, I don't know. But he's a very different person, very different thinker.
Yeah, they're gonna be looking at the breath behind it. You can see that possible base, but look at the breath.
What are you doing, Leo? You sound disgusting.
I found the absolute jams. Finally, some music I like normally listen to.
Well, at least now I know why he was so cranky earlier.
Why was he so cranky?
Well, I just thought he was gasless.
Oh. Baby.
He thought he was a Jupiter.
You whack 160%.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, I don't like that. Got 2 points under.
Janet Jackson's fire.
Spice the hole in previous day closed, though.
D-Rock is gonna gamify the fucking shit out of you. You have no idea. If you are not in, you are out. You missed it too fucking bad. Do not chase it and be someone's exit liquidity. I beg of you, don't do that.
Why do they keep buying these $100 calls for Friday? The volume is going up. I don't understand. I think I'm gonna sell them, but only because I own some.
You don't get buying moves like this.
Dude is high all the time at a level we have never experienced. Yeah.
Are you still on your D-Wap shares, Clippy?
Which one of you was like, yo, what the fuck is adaptive cruise control? Was that paper?
Adaptive cruise control.
Yeah, but was it you that was like, adaptive? What the hell is that?
I think it was
I
Casey.
just wasn't sure that the listeners would know what it was.
Coach Catch said, well, hello, just gave the best trailing stop analogy I've ever heard. Adaptive cruise control.
Banger.
It might have been Casey because I don't know if they got that technology.
Yeah.
True.
I was
Now they would just call it self-driving without steering.
Bloomberg says Apple now plans car for 2028 with less ambitious autonomy.
Oh, Dolby.
Looks like a bit of an M here on.
Leo, you sound great.
Wait a second.
You?
Why is Emperador telling me that Apple is planning to release their Apple car for 2028?
Whoa.
That's why I just said that.
Nope, he made it up. He pulled it out of his ass. No, it's legit. Somebody swapped it.
No.
I really should not have stayed up last night.
57.97. Sorry. 58.04.
Do you ever wonder what a conversation between Aaron Rodgers, Joe Rogan, Elon Musk, Kanye West would be like? Bro, I imagine this. You ready, Ralph? Picture this. Wait. We gotta get up close and personal for this one. Hold on. Picture this, all right? Picture a big round table, right? Big round table. You got Elon, right? You got Joe Rogan. You got Patrick Bet David. You got Myron Gaines from Fresh and Fit podcast. Fucking big Andrew Tate, Top G. Who else? Fuck it, throw Trump in there. That would be crazy. Imagine that shit. Throw Trump in there on the round table too. Who else? Just like the craziest people that have the most gnarly conversation, bro. It would go so viral. Who else? What's his name? Tucker Carlson. Throw him in there too. Might as well. Throw him in there. Who else? We need someone like on the other side type of thing. You know what I mean? Because those are all like a lot of right people. We need somebody to be like, no, but this. You know what I mean? In the conversation. Who would that be? I don't know. They still gotta be like dope. I don't know. That would be crazy though. Oh, and Kanye. We need Kanye. Fuck it, throw like Kylie Jenner in there too, cause she'll be like, no, like this and that, you know. That, oh my gosh. Or is Kylie not like smart enough to be there? At the end of the day, she's definitely smart enough to be there because she a girl that basically like all she does is fucking post on social media and sell makeup, and she's making more money than all of us. So she's doing something right. She's smart about something, obviously. Oh, I keep thinking of like who would be at that round table now. Just get the craziest names to show up and just hash it out, man. Oh, be so much fun. I would love that.
No, you guys do whatever you want to do. I got you here.
They kind of had that. I mean, they did that Spaces. I think if you go, I forget if Andrew Tate hosted it or not. No, I think it was just on there. It's Vivek Ramaswamy hosted it. I have no idea who hosted it, but it was the one where Vivek pissed on Spaces live. Maybe Elon hosted it. I don't remember. But that Spaces, if you go listen to that recording, that shit was a good conversation. Lots of smoke, yeah. That was a great conversation, though, that they had. I mean, it was like Andrew, Elon. There wasn't Joe Rogan, but there was Vivek. A bunch of other guys as well. I think Grant Cardone was up there as well. Grant's always fun conversationalist guy. Yeah, who else? Bunch of people though. You're going too far. Gotta have Tucker, dog.
Yeah, okay.
XLV. Yes, Ralph. Yes.
Sorry, was that a question or statement? Yeah, I saw a lot of call activity on.
Throw a big C. Owens up in there. Raps.
Wow.
It's raps. It's raps.
X-ray Lima Victor.
She about to humiliate everybody. She's literally about to humiliate everybody. It's raps. I would love, oh my gosh, all I want is to hear a conversation like that between all of them. I want to hear them all bicker and just go back and forth and be like, oh, it's so cool. You get to see who's like, who's the top out of that group. You know what I mean? Because they're all very, like, whether or not you guys, like, whether or not somebody likes them or not, like, I think everybody could agree, like, most of those people are very good conversationalists, right? They're very good at debating. And it'd just be very entertaining, I guess, for me to see, for everybody to see who kind of comes out on top on that debate, you know what I mean? Or on any debate. But, because they're all such good debaters and conversationalists, I would love to see who kind of, like, takes the crown out of the conversation, you know?
I thought I was getting a shot.
Throw Biden in there. Yup. Who else? Who else would be good too, like, specifically from that other side? Because you'd want to have those controversial ideas, right? Like, that's what makes a good debate. So, who would be there?
Come on, Duloc.
The problem is, like, I would say Biden, but Biden can't really even debate. You know what I mean? That's actually a strong suit for him. That's actually a strong suit. Ah.
And just to let everyone know.
Let me know, Mikey. Spy's ripping, guys. Grant was on that call. You listened to the recording? Yeah. That was a great call. I love that conversation. That was awesome. I always try and tune into those. They just don't. They, like, never do them. Jimmy Kimmel? That would be fun. Throw Jimmy Kimmel on there? That would be sick. Absolutely. He'd be, like, cracking jokes the whole time and shit. Like, everybody would be in a serious debate and he'd, like, crack some joke. Oh my gosh. I like, need to see this podcast happen now. Gosh. Or the other guy. I know who you're talking about. I know exactly who you're talking about. I forget the name of him, too.
Tell me you love me and that I'm great, even though I traded like shit today. Still came out ahead.
Did he get?
Did I get what?
Anita Maxwell.
Microsoft. Let's go, Microsoft.
Micro hard. Damn. Hitting new highs. Very nice.
Is that the thing that you were talking about before, Jordan?
What?
The Anita win?
Oh, yeah. That's not like the actual video, but that's like an edit. Yeah, that's funny. Anita Maxwell. Here's another one. I'm just gonna spam whale with Anita Maxwell.
With
It'll be good for your engagement, so, you know.
I'm already back. There's your dad joke of the day. From the web. Thank you, Clover. I did know that. No place I'd rather be.
Facts, Ralph. Do it on the school grounds, huh? This is a debate for like the school cafeteria tables, you know? Imagine. Oh my gosh. As a 3-time Midwest 5-state debate champion, I can tell that debating is not the same as it should be. Bro, the round table. The round table of the best debaters in the world. Just like hashing it out. I want to see it so bad. That would be awesome.
You're right, Shark. I did forget to put that in the summary.
Bueller's here. What's up, Bueller? Anita McSween.
I see a Microsoft. These are all February 9th. I see 3 of them. $400 put sells bullish. 2.3 million.
My man, Bueller. Love you, brother. Thank you. It's been a good day, bro. We swung some K-Web. Obviously, that news came out and just blessed us. That was cool. And then we caught some snow. Caught some snow, and I just been chilling after that. Tried to short SPY this morning, but got chopped up and said I'm going to go elsewhere. Bro, Bueller, AK is the GOAT, man. He comes in every day, gives us the quote of the day. I love it. Kills it. Full roundtable debate. Let me find more people to add. Yeah, we need full debate, bro. Just the big roundtable. K-Web is a solid chain. I'm watching Lulu for shorts and chilling watching SPY. Yeah, what was it? Quote of the day for today, it was, let me look back. I have it. I already forgot it, of course. That's what it was. Making money is action. Keeping money is discipline. Growing money is knowledge. Love it.
Notice how juiced the premiums are now in DWAC. We got in so dirt cheap, it wasn't even freaking funny.
They're disgustingly true. Like juiced, like yeah.
Yeah, like
absolutely rancid. Nobody should be thinking about I mean, I don't know. Amazing catch, but this is the juice that juice was worth the squeeze, Mikey.
that juice was definitely worth the squeeze.
Oh, it was.
That was worth the squeeze.
Now, Telegram, I shared with you the gamma chart on this ticker. Tell me that it's not literally a paradigm shift. And for those who don't know, I'm working with TrendSpider to get these added onto their charting tool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Mikey, did you hear what happened to me yesterday? You might not have.
No, I didn't.
Trading View booted me from their platform. Said I was a professional trader, so
Bye. Trying to get out that range.
Day trade, like for intraday charts.
I know, poor Paper was going through it yesterday, huh?
Oh my god. I mean, they
I mean, that's gotta. I would be so angry if I woke up to that. Like, I don't.
They released the account, but I don't trust it at all right now.
Wait, so they took it off your account? They took like the block?
Yeah, so I can use it right now, but I don't trust it for a minute. Cause like, dude, I mean,
Damn, they just lost a valuable customer.
well, I think
That's
I
crazy.
prepaid for like 2 years to be fair, also on accident.
Yeah. Been there. You just kind of forget about it, you know. Doesn't change the bank account balance enough at the end of the month for you to notice. You just kind of stay with it for a few years, you know.
Well,
That's why I track that's why I have an app that tracks every transaction I ever make, because if I don't do that, I'll like sign up for some shit, I'll just forget about it.
Watch out here. I already covered, but
a year. And Halloween or like Black Friday.
Oh yeah.
And I think I did it like an extra time or something once.
a little lower, huh?
Yeah, Apple's having some issues.
Having some
Guys,
issues.
Apple's having some issues.
Uh-oh.
The people that bought the news that Apple was making an electric car, making an Apple car 14 years ago when they first talked about it, are finally selling the.
Is it still rumor though, or is it news?
Oh, I have no idea.
I feel like that's rumor.
Wow, it's trading from 40 to 90 back and forth.
I'm still very happy with my sale. We take it. We run.
I just commented on your thing. I didn't actually like look at it. How you doing today?
You motherfucker.
I'm sorry. Bro, that small account's turning bigger and bigger pretty quick.
That's right. We're still at an all-time high because I deposited $500 when I had that fuck up 2 Fridays ago.
Yeah, so it's showing. Yeah, no, I see it.
My all-time,
I know, yeah.
So,
It's
like,
different.
It shows like it's included in games.
Mm-hmm.
So that's also why I stopped doing the weekly chart. Tomorrow, I think the deposit will be out of it. So
Yeah, after a week after your deposit, it should carry like over and it shouldn't show up anymore. It should just be gains, like actual gains. Unless you go to the all-time, then it's...
Even all-time, I think, still includes...
Yeah, no, all-time it'll include it forever, I think.
I think they said that was a trade station limitation, though. Like, they'll be able to do it more like the way Robinhood does.
Yeah. Also, I talked to Retta about that 5-minute CBC, like, automatic stop loss. I think that's something we'll be able to do. We just have to get the switch over from TradeStation first. But that would be so valuable. Wow. I would use that every single day. I would actually have a set stop loss for once. We don't usually do that around here. These parts. Don't usually do that in these parts. We are going to start another Spaces here soon. Just waiting for Wolf to pop in. So, that means I'm going to wrap up the stream here in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. Whenever we start this, I'll wrap it up. But, either way, guys, regardless, it's been an amazing day. How about trailing stop based on percentage of current holding? They have a trailing stop right now, but honestly, Whale knows the specifics on it because I don't use it. He knows how it works, but I know that there is a trailing stop. I just don't know if it's by
eBay,
percentage, like you're saying.
4250 call February 2nd. If you don't have patience, don't play this.
Bump it up, choo-choo train, choo-choo train.
Oh,
Sharky's
shit.
on the choo-choo train.
For Sharky. Oh, wait. Hold on. My volume was off.
No, mine's better. Listen to this one. You guys hear me?
There's nothing better than the one with that ending.
Yeah, like
Is yours the one with the Pornhub music? I
did
can't
you
hear
hit
it.
the 70? Did you hit 970?
Yeah, I see you, Ralph. I think that'll be possible once they get away from Trade Station. All that stuff will be even more possible. Carlos, appreciate you coming in every day. All you guys that talk in the chat coming in every day. Don't think I don't notice you. Appreciate all you guys. It's been a beautiful day, man. Fucking great morning, as always.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Damn, that was pretty good. That was
Okay.
pretty good, Will. Nice job.
Thanks.
I like those vocals.
Uh-oh, Wolf's here.
Wolfie, ow, ow.
I'm waiting for that ooh.
There he is.
It's time for your spanking, Whale.
Oh, hello.
Hey, Wolf, how you doing?
Wow, Mikey. How about that? How about Mikey nailed that DWAC move? These are up. Yeah, DWAC. I think he called them at the bottom.
He did.
I did.
He whacked that dude.
That's what Mikey does.
Oh, that was a great one.
There you go. Jordan.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jordan, we Gucci.
We are Gucci. Let's talk. Let's talk. I'm excited for this one. We made a great play today. I'm stoked to talk about it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. George, how you doing?
I am doing great. I didn't know where I was supposed to be. Now I'm here and where I'm supposed to be, and yeah, psyched about Jordan's trade too.
I love it. I love it. Yeah, apologies. I was a minute late there, but we are ready to roll. Jordan, I don't know, Mikey, I think if you're running some trading for those that are still going there, we are going to be chatting about AI and trading over here. We are going to be dropping some alpha, some sauce for those that are looking to up their trading game. So with that being said, let me grab this co-host. Shout out Whale. I think he's going to open that one. Yeah,
I sent
big
you one
props to
too,
Mikey,
George.
though.
I sent you a co-host invite, George.
Yeah, Mikey been killing it all week. Some of those swings from yesterday, that Baba swing up 400%, crazy. All right. With that being said, let me go ahead and get this pinned. Jordan, Evan, I just tweeted that out. If y'all want to check this tweet that I'm pinning to the top right now. Perfect. I think Gina's still up here. All right. We are looking good to go. We've got Corey and Nate and Kim and everybody else on here. We are going to start diving into how you can use AI to really enhance your trading with some easy and free tools, with some stuff along those lines. So with that being said, let's get into it. So we've done several spaces with Prospero. Jordan made a tweet about them earlier today. You guys probably saw it. Prospero has been red hot this year. They started the year 90% accuracy, 19 out of 21 picks in their 2024 newsletter. This right now, by the way, is actually going to be free for our listeners. Not free in the future, most likely. I know that they're moving to more paid models and stuff, but if you get in now, you can probably get grandfathered in at least a free version. There's a bunch of stuff going on here. If you haven't yet, go to
All right, y'all.
and look at the post that he made.
It's been a great day. We're going to do the spaces. I love y'all so much. You guys are fucking awesome. Tuning in every day. Wouldn't want to spend the mornings any other way. But appreciate y'all. I'm gonna end the stream here. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Enjoy, guys. Later, later.